employees, and welcome to the Heather Industries Employee Training Program, the world's leading provider in scientific musculoskeletal research. This video is a short introduction to the course and what you should know before stepping into the classroom. This videotape will outline the three main topics of the unit: the skeletal system, the muscular system, and exoskeletons and cell walls. Let's begin. The first system we'll discuss is the skeletal system. The skeletal system is comprised of several different parts called bones. In adults, there is a total of 206 bones. However, when born, babies have more than 206. As they grow, the bones fuse together. The skeletal system has two distinctive parts: the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton, with a total of 80 bones, consists of the vertebral column, the rib cage, and the skull. The appendicular skeleton is composed of the pectoral girdles, which is 4 bones, the left and right collarbones, and the 2 bones scapula. It also includes the arms and forearms, the humerus, the ulna, and the radius. The longest bone in the skeletal system is the femur. The femur is a leg bone that extends from the pelvic bone to the knee to form the knee joint. It is also one of the strongest bones in the body. The smallest bone in the skeletal system is the stirrup bone inside the ear. It is about 3 millimeters long when fully developed. The skeletal system is responsible for giving the body structure and keeping the human upright. Although the skeletal system has its uses, it's important to remember that the skeletal system is nothing without the muscular system. The muscular system consists of 3 types of muscles: smooth, skeletal, and cardiac muscles. Smooth muscles, also called involuntary muscles, are found in the walls of hollow organs like the stomach and intestines. They line blood vessels and can be used to keep blood flowing throughout the body. They are also responsible for many housekeeping functions of the body. The muscular walls of the intestine can contract to push food throughout the body. Muscles in the bladder wall contract to expel urine, and the pupillary sphincter muscle in your eye can shrink the size of your pupil. They are also called involuntary muscles because they perform many of their functions without the cognitive command of the organism. Next, we'll talk about skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles, also known as voluntary muscles, cover the skeleton and give the body its shape. Most motions, such as throwing, running, jumping, and squatting, are performed by skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles attach to the skeleton by springy tendons attached to rough patches of the bone. Tendons are connective tissue that attach muscle to bone. It serves to move the bone or structure. The skeletal system is responsible for maintaining posture, keeping the body upright, holding bones in their correct position, preventing bones from dislocating, and is vital for maintaining normal body temperature. Ligaments are connective tissue that attaches bone to bone. It serves to keep structures stable. An example would be the ACL and the posterior cruciate ligament that bridges the inside of the knee joint. Cardiac muscles are responsible for pumping blood in the heart and are also involuntary muscles. Muscular dystrophy is an uncommon condition that causes patients' muscles to deteriorate. The condition can be caused by numerous genetic mutations, can occur rapidly over long periods of time, and cannot be cured. There are, however, many treatments that can help patients live with this disease. There are many multicellular organisms on Earth that do not have skeletal systems. Animals such as insects and crustaceans have exoskeletons, tough outer layers that give their body their structure. Plants obtain their rigidity from the cell walls of all their individual cells, which are present throughout all of their structures. As previously stated, the exoskeleton and the cell wall are alternates to the skeletal system of the human. We look forward to seeing you here at Heather Industries, your leading, most trusted provider of scientific musculoskeletal research. We hope you enjoyed the video.